Hi, and welcome to your PAP tutorial. This will be a tutorial on how to put your machine together. This is a CPAP machine, and this is a BiPAP machine. They have the same humidifiers and the same filters, so we'll be using the CPAP machine as the example in our training. The machines have a filter. You do get them from Gerald's, so let us know when you need them. Check them every couple weeks, and when they're dirty, throw them away. You're going to put water in your heated humidifier. This heater plate will heat this heater plate, which will heat your water. It does say distilled water only. You want to put fresh water in it every day, dump it in the morning, wash it out, and put more water in it. There's an arrow here, which will show you how to open it. You can fill it to the middle line. Everybody's a little bit different, so you may need a little bit more in the winter and a little bit less in the summer. That's up to you. You have tubing. Both of the ends are the same. It doesn't matter which one goes to the machine and which one goes to you. You do have a swivel when you initially get your machine. You don't have to use it. It is convenient though. You can put this in different positions, and if you don't want to use it, it's okay. But just remember, these tubing suction on, so pulling it straight off could pull this right out, and that's not something that's covered under insurance. So you want to gently roll it and it'll come off. But the swivels are handy. If you had your sleep study, they gave you a tubing with your mask. If you had your titration study. So you won't be getting a tubing initially, but subsequent tubings, depending on the style you get, some have the swivels and some don't. They're all the same. There's a menu on the front. There are a couple things that you can change. Number one is your ramp time. Auto ramp is the most comfortable for most people. So just leave it on auto unless you're having some problems, but you can turn your ramp off. Your ramp starts at your pressure at 4 and then will ramp up to your prescribed pressure. If you have any questions or problems with your ramp, Gerald's can also change that through the computer. You'll be hooked to a modem. The other thing that you will change is your humidity, and that's where we talked about with the humidifier, the plate. If you want the water to be warmer, which some people do in the winter, or they have a dry nose, you can turn it up. Some people turn it down in the summer because they don't like the water to be warm, or they're getting extra water moisture in their tubing or in their mask. That is a comfort feature that you can do on your own. You can also call us and we can do that through the computer as well. You can run a mask fit if you think that your mask is leaking. You can warm your water up every night if you want to. And if you fly anywhere and you're going to wear it on the plane, put it in airplane mode. They'll tell you to do that. If you do fly anywhere, make sure you call the airlines and tell them that you're going to be flying, and you'll get through the check-in a lot faster. To go home, you can just hit the house button or scroll up to home. You will receive some books in your machine. This 4-page quick start book is everything that I just told you. Buttons, how to hook it, the menu, and then some replacement. And we're going to deal with replacement on the cleaning instructions. That'll be on another tutorial. This is an app for your phone. It is a free app. It's called My Air. It will hook to your tablet or your computer or your phone. You put the numbers in on the back and you get a report every day on how you're doing. It's very interesting. And then this is the book on the machine. It's 22 pages of English. That's all. Any questions on any of this, you call your Gerald's respiratory therapist at any time. We are always a phone call away.